I'd recommend the ALLSAW to anyone. I've been using mine for 6 years. They're great for when you're repointing houses. You actually use these for grinding out, because it lowers the dust. And anything doing refurbs is all about keeping the dust down, because you're on show to everyone walking past. Your work is a theatre, and your next customer's looking at you. If they see dust, they're going to turn away from you. But if you're actually using something that they thought didn't exist either, you know, they're going to be more drawn towards you and they're employing you. We tried it all before using circular saws, jackhammers. It was creating too much dust in the house. Using this system, it keeps everything down to a minimum, and we can isolate the dust to where we're actually working. Because we've come across a lot of unknown with what we do. It's not like a new building site where you know someone's put pipe work in or cables in. This saw, we can creep up to any problem, what it is, and get right up to it and get around it that way without having a blade full of dust where you can't see anything and you're going into the unknown. So it's a controlled tool for us. We're offering a natural way of repairing buildings without using chemicals. We're going to the source of the problem, the root cause. The ALLSAW can actually burrow around the perimeter of the rooms, separating the floors to the walls. Our work is done like microsurgery in a way. We do it all behind the skirting boards internally, causing less decorating, less damage to the house, and making the actual repair shorter to do. Well, this is our damp bridge here. What it is, it's a ventilation channel that's going to fit inside the walls. These are much cheaper than any type of damp product on the market, and it actually works. So instead of spending thousands on a damp company, you can just simply fit it yourself with this. The ALLSAW, they get right up against the wall like no other tool will. It's the most economical way to do my job using that ALLSAW.